Good evening, everyone. Well, Monday brought plenty of sunshine again, just like yesterday, although things did warm up. And yes, usually when we're seeing a warming wind, it's coming in from the east. And we do have that, and it's bringing along with it a little more of that smoke haze. Now, off this way towards the east, Chelan County, like so often here over the past few weeks, under another air quality alert where you can see some poor and unhealthy air quality for some of the locations over there. And we're seeing some changes down this way across more of South Sound. Good air quality for areas farther to the north. What's going to happen is as we go throughout the next couple of days, we're going to continue to see this haze more overhead. Now by Wednesday, it does start to clear on out, and we're going to get more onshore flow to help to push that back off towards the east. At the same time, too, though, that means a cool down is coming back to the area, and that's going to allow things to fall back into the 60s for highs as opposed to the 70s we saw today and what we're expecting heading into the day for tomorrow. We are going to keep those overnight lows in the 40s because even though it is still of a warming wind, it's this time of the year. The nights are a lot longer, so we get to cool down rather rapidly during the overnight hours. And that air mass that's going to be coming from the eastern side of the state will be a cooler one. So that's going to allow things again to cool down rather quickly here once we head on into the evening hours. So out this way towards Westport, a day where we saw highs right around that 70-degree mark, clear skies, and 40s on the way for us out there. Then you can kind of see a little bit of that haze showing up across our skies from our Columbia Tower camera. A lot of clear skies out there too, and temperatures which are right now in the lower 70s will drop through the 60s and eventually all the way through the 50s. And tomorrow morning we're going to start off in the 40s yet again, with some spots even seeing maybe some 30s to head into early Tuesday morning. Current temperatures 70 in Shelton, 70 in Bremerton. We're at 68 in Puyallup, lower 60s as you head farther to the north. So that air mass is still pretty warm and pretty nice even into the latter part of this evening. Radar has clear skies for us with high pressure in control, and that's really diverting a lot of that active weather all the way off toward the north there. Southeast Alaska, BC, still dealing with a lot more of it. It's going to break down. We're going to see all this move off towards the east, and that active weather that you see into the Gulf of Alaska, that's heading our way by the time we head into somewhat Wednesday through Friday, but a lot more of it to come heading on into the weekend. Looking at futurecasts here this evening and tonight, a lot of clear skies out there with some upper level cloud coverage passing by as we head into early tomorrow morning. That's 9 o'clock. Still seeing some of that around with some showers up across BC, but we'll see more of that draping cold front that's going to come on through towards the second half of the day on Tuesday and into Tuesday night, and that will be the cooler air mass that will help to start to bring back more of that onshore push and bring back more of the cool air, at least for the daytime hours. The overnight hours won't be quite as cool because we do expect to see more clouds, so more mid to upper 40s as opposed to low 40s, even some possible 50s as we head on into the weekend. Lows tonight down to 42 there in Shelton, 46 in Tacoma, down to 42 in Bellingham. High tomorrow will be more so around the 70-degree mark, and then we drop about 10 degrees heading into Wednesday, and we'll get even cooler by the end of the weekend and into the start of next work week.